This is a song called Lying Birds, which is from Trunky, which has become a musical. Who knew? And it is a conversation between the character of Sam and his partner, who is grieving and angry and all of that. So, here we go. Lying Birds. I can't, I won't, she said, you don't. Birds are flying, crows are looking for some deception. Little shiny objects to distract me from this place I'm in. I can't, I won't, she said, you don't. Birds are circling, crows are flapping wings in my chest, fighting my hands, fighting fingers, flapping wings upon my breast. Crows are flying, crows are flapping, birds are taunting crows. They like shiny things, teasing things placed round their nest. Birds they linger, birds they trigger, scratching in my head. Crows are flying, crows are flying. She said, you're lying, don't.